What if a small box in your home could change someone's Ramadan? Ramadan opens hearts to kindness and generosity. Sometimes even the smallest actions can lead to great rewards. Today's advice shows how a simple habit can turn Ramadan into a month of continuous charity. This is day 2 of 30 Ramadan, 40 advices. Let us begin. Those whose hearts are inclined toward goodness and ready for acts of charity, and those who wish to help and do good during this month, can make Ramadan truly fruitful by seizing even small opportunities. Placing small charity boxes in homes or workplaces and collecting contributions from people one interacts with, then delivering these to those in need, is a concrete example of this. Through this method, which may seem simple, significant help can actually be provided. What matters is that a person gives sincerely from the heart and that others are encouraged to take part in this good. Is there a better means than this to rush to the help of a fellow Muslim and to show that we are like the limbs of one body? Never underestimate a small act done sincerely. A simple charity box can become a source of mercy for many. Let us help one another and live the spirit of being one body as Muslims. This was day 2 of 30 Ramadan, 40 advices. Subscribe to Light of Iman for daily Ramadan reminders and guidance.